So what's up guys, welcome to the app development course, and today we will see how to download and install Cordova. So directly go and type out Cordova over here on your favorite web browser, and after that this first step that you see, you just have to click on this, which will take you to the Apache Cordova. So Apache Cordova is basically the platform which is providing you to build websites for platforms like Android, iOS and Windows with the web development languages like HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. Okay, so working with Cordova is really very easy and simple if you know HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. So what you have to do is just scroll down and see these are some of these commands which are given over here, which will be helping you to build your app. If you want any help, you can always refer this documentation where everything is given, like how to create your first app. You just have to click on this create your first app, and it will be showing you all these commands that is required by you. Okay, so these are the commands to create app and all. We will see this in the future. Okay, these are all the commands and everything. And if you need help to develop Android, then you have to go to this section. If you are developing for iOS, just go for this section. Windows, then this, then the OS X, then this one, etc, etc. If I'm just going to the Android section, because we will be building app for Android, then these are some of the things that are required by you and everything. Okay, so if you are building for Android, then you will be in need of this Gradle, Android SDK, then the Java development kit and everything. Okay, so these are a few things which you have to install, but we won't be installing this. I will be showing you guys one shortcut, and these are the other things which you might be in need of. But let's just go back to our previous page, and let's see how to install Cordova on our system. So I'll go to my first page. So this is the command which you have to execute on your command prompt in order to install Cordova, which is npm install -g Cordova. You can copy this or you can type it out. So first of all, go and search for a command prompt, type out command prompt. Okay, and after that you'll be getting this tab. Just don't double click on this, just right click and say run as an administrator and click yes. After that, your command prompt will be running as an administrator. Okay, so now you have to type out this command, which is npm install -g Cordova. I will say npm install -g Cordova, and it will be getting installed. Okay, so basically this command stands for npm install -g Cordova, which says npm is basically the package which we are making use of from the Node.js. Okay, so because of this package we are installing Node.js. Then it says npm install -g or -g stands for global. Okay, so we are installing Cordova globally, and last command is Cordova because we are installing Cordova. Okay, so click on enter, and now our command prompt is running as a npm package, and now it will be installing Cordova for us. It will take a little bit of time, just wait for a while. Okay, so it might take around 10 minutes for things to get downloaded. Just sit for a while and it will be doing its work. So now as can be seen, it is downloading few packages from the internet. Just make sure that whenever you are installing or doing this installation process, there is net connection, because this is actually downloading or fetching all the files from the internet. So now our installation is complete. When you see this command, which is c-windows-system32, that means your installation is completed. Okay, so now you can close this. Then you can go to this command prompt over again. Just double click on this now, and you just have to say Cordova -version, and it will be showing you the version of Cordova that is installed. Let's see what we are getting. Click on Y. Okay, so now it is saying giving me the version as 9.0.0, which means Cordova is installed. Okay, so if you are not getting this version output, that means there is some problem during the installation process, and you have to check your installation process. Okay, so if you are getting this output, that means installation process is completed, and now you can proceed further. Okay, so basically this is my local command prompt, not the global. You just have to execute the command prompt as a global or administrator command prompt only during the installation process, and in the future whenever you are creating apps, you can use your local command prompt. Okay.